And today,
3, 2, 1, just start.
hi Syed, do you have any problem regarding English learning?
No, sir.
Take this. And if you need,
No, sir.
please ask.
No, sir. I haven't any problem.
You told already that I have visited several places, but I don't know how to speak English fluently.
Because I watched your video and I solved all the problems.
Yeah, are
Yes.
you getting something
Yes.
solving?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very nice. And Sai, I want to ask you a question, okay?
Okay, sir.
Through only this sentence, केवल इसी sentence से you have to translate at least 6 sentences. You have to translate. I mean, there's a sentence like राजू की दादी हटिया में सब्जी बेचती है. Okay, this is a simple present tense. Okay.
Okay,
you
sir.
Have to, can you translate at least 6 sentences from this sentence?
Of course, sir.
Okay, first you translate correctly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You will not get chance in improving. आपको सुधार करने में कोई chance नहीं मिलेगा. Okay. You have to translate only one time. Okay. And through this sentence, इसी sentence से you have to translate at least 5 to 6 sentences.
Okay, sir.
Is it possible for you?
Yes, sir.
Definitely.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Translate like a sentence. I am giving you. राजू की दादी हटिया में सब्जी बेचती है.
Okay. Raju's grandmother sells vegetable in the market.
Very nice. It's negative.
It's negative.
राजू की दादी हटिया
Yes,
में सब्जी नहीं बेचती है. Like this.
Raju's grandmother
Very nice. Raju's
doesn't sell.
does not.
Doesn't.
Yeah, very nice.
Doesn't sell
Yeah.
vegetables in the market. Negative.
Yeah,
Vegetable in the market.
Very nice. And it's negative. I mean interrogative.
Interrogative.
It's completed.
Does Raju's grandmother sell vegetable in the market?
Again, please.
Does Raju's grandmother sell vegetable in the market?
Yeah. In the market. No, हटिया में. Not बाजार.
Oh yeah. I forgot it, sir.
English क्या होता है?
In the mart.
Do you know English of हटिया?
Yes, sir.
What?
Mart.
MART.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And next main interrogative negative.
Okay. Does Raju's grandmother do not sell?
Does again?
Does Raju's grandmother not sell vegetable in the market?
In the market, not.
Yeah. Oh, I'm forgetting, sir. In the mart.
In the mart.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
And can you translate doesn't like?
Yes, sir, of course.
Definitely do.
Raju's grandmother doesn't sell vegetable in the mart.
Means you have to interrogative negative.
Interrogative negative, sir.
क्या राजू की दादी को हटिया में क्या राजू की दादी हटिया में सब्जी बेचती है? Like this. क्या राजू की दादी हटिया में सब्जी नहीं बेचती है? Like this.
Does Raju's grandmother not sell vegetable in the mart?
And doesn't say. It translate in with doesn't.
Doesn't, sir.
Yeah.
Does Raju's grandmother?
Doesn't.
Yeah. Oh, yes, sir. Doesn't Raju's grandmother sell vegetable in the mart?
Very nice. And
WS, sir.
Yeah. Why? Like this.
Why Raju's grandmother?
Means first I will tell Hindi sentence. And क्यों राजू की दादी हटिया में
सब्जी?
या राजू की दादी हटिया में क्यों सब्जी बेचती है? Like this.
Why Raju's grandmother sells vegetable?
Why?
Why does?
Why? Yeah, very good.
Why does Raju's
Raju's
grandmother sell vegetable in the mart?
Very nice. क्यों राजू की दादी हटिया में सब्जी नहीं बेचती है?
Why doesn't Raju's grandmother sell vegetable in the mart?
Very nice. And if you have to break not and does, then अगर आपको does और not को अलग करना है तब कैसे करेंगे?
Why doesn't?
Why doesn't? You have translated. आप उसे तो बोल दिया translation. And आपको इंग्लिश बोल दिया. Why doesn't Raju's grandmother sell vegetable in the mart? You have did. You have done like this. You have done. आपने ऐसा कर दिया. And you have to separate. आपको अलग करना रहे. Does and not को. Then.
Why does Raju's grandmother not sell vegetable in the mart?
Very nice. Thank you so much. Perhaps you may have understood, Sahid. I am very happy because you spoke very easily. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you guys. अगर आप लोग को भी सीखना रहे ना इसे फॉलो जरूर करेंगे. Okay. आप चैनल को जरूर फॉलो करेंगे. Thank you.